Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to share my new recent project. So I have make a small place, like I have decorated my one side of a room to make a video. So just look in front of me, there is a light to make this type of environment. Still my face but behind is not clear, but all of thing to show my face properly, to hear my voice clearly, I just make it. So because I have no enough money to make this environment, just show, just to tell about my environment. So in this environment I make video usually, like to say in Bengali, also speaking in English, to explain different problems of English language. So just look at me. There is a bulb, and also one holder, some feet of cables, one socket. So all over this, my price or the cost was around 100 taka. So just I need one bulb to use, although there is a bulb in my house, but that was not focused this one corner. You just see there is a one kind of wall, of tin sheet wall of my house, and behind is a clock, some calendars, also some pictures of musk. Okay, so this is the thing, and also I'm sitting on the bed, just show around this. It's a very all over that, but overall it is very good for me to make a video still right now. But the light is above my head. For this reason, there is a shadow under my head, take one kind of neck. Here you see me. So when I use the light also like this way, so when I use the light in this way, that will be, but I have no money at this time. But in the future, very soon, I will set up my own place, on the room, where I'll make or help you to understand the English language, how to speak, how to write, how to read, how to listen. It's a one kind of a long process to learn this language. So you have to need a patience. So this video main focus to understand you. So whatever you think, whatever, I'm a poor person, so I have no money actually. To if you think about my balance, so I have poor person. So I'm a poor person, but why? I have ability to make something decorated for making a video. Okay, so I think I have nothing to more. I have no good camera, I have not facility. So how can I upload a video, how can I make a video? So I never thought about this. I thought, yes, I have something, I have a mobile phone, it's not camera, it's not good, but what, it's well, it's perfect for making a video, for uploading, it's well. I started my YouTube journey. I started to help my audience to speak in English. So you should start your level. You cannot, you couldn't study at the college, at the school, like the primary level, whatever, due to different kind of purposes. But why? You should practice. So you should learn English, or you want to learn English. It is not dependable on your curriculum activities or your curriculum say. Like learning English is not a part of, you have to be a student, or you have to be a student, you should have a student. It's not a thing. Learning something is dependable by once. So how you think that? So I'm Aruf. I'm always ready to help you. I help you, and I help rest of my life, and I help the last breath of my life. Okay, so you should start. So I do not want to make this video longer, because this just want to show you this my new setup. It's a very easy and low costed setup. I will make video like this way in this area. So if you have any query about English, of course I will talk about different things. I will also go to live and go to live every week once. I will try to explain different things in English, okay, and also Bengali. Goodbye for now. So see you next video. Keep practicing, keep learning, develop yourself with time.